Alrighty, let's look at the last problem there. What is 3/20ths written as a decimal? So when we are going from fraction to decimal, we are going to do long division. One thing that you might add to your notes that can help you out is when we are setting up our division, our numerator is going to go inside of our division there. So we have numerator, denominator, and that's going to help you out when you're doing that long division. So numerator, denominator, that means that we are going to have 3 and 20. One thing I like to remember is that 3 is the same as 3.0. It's the same as 3.00, 000. We have as many zeros as we want. And we'll get to how we use those. So 20 goes into 3, 0 times. I do need to make sure my decimals line up, and this is where organizing your long division is really going to help. So take time to move slowly and make sure your work is lined up and neat. Now I am going to look at the 30. So 20 goes into 30 one time. So 1 times 20 is 20. We're going to go ahead and subtract that to get 10. And every time after we subtract, we bring down a 0. Now I have 100. 20 goes into 100. We did this on the last, on an earlier problem. 5 times 20 is 100. So that means we're going to have 5 up top. 5 times 20 is 100. We subtract, and this is where we have zeros. We are going to that point of all zeros. It doesn't matter if I bring down more zeros at this point. I just have zeros here. So 3 divided by 20 is 0.15. So I always go off to the side and write my decimal as 0.15. You could also go to percentage and then divide your percent by 100 as well, and that will also give you this decimal.